Barracuda Kayaks, newcomers to the sport, Gordon Robinson and Andrew Macbeth. So up into third in class goes Gordon Robinson and Andrew Macbeth and Barracuda Kayaks.
These guys have done a great job in their first season in this boat.